In this video, I'm going to show you how you can separate vocal or voice from a song or from music. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. So I have here a track, but it is not music. It has a background song, and then we have speech. We would like to go ahead and not only separate the audio from this, but we'll also go ahead and separate the vocal or the music from the wordings or from the speech. And listen in.
Have you heard about Zaatar? It's this.
Great. So the first thing I need to do is to go ahead and separate our audio track from the video. To do so, right click on your video and then look for the option called detach audio, and you can see now our audio has been detached from the video and they are now two separate items. Now we want to go ahead and separate the vocals from this. To do so, it is quite simple. Just head over to your audio and then right click on it and then look for this option called AI vocal remover. If you click on it, it will go ahead and comment the removal, and for this you'll have to be online. Now the good thing is this takes just a few seconds and it should be done. And once this is done, you can see now we have a separation of the two. Now if it is a song, you'll have lyrics separately and we shall also have the background music separate. So if I go ahead and first turn off the infused audio, we want to go ahead and listen into the separate one. So if I mute this and listen into the audio 2 here, let's see.
Hey Jamie, have you heard about Zaatar? It's this incredible spice blend.
Now you can hear that is only the vocals or the sound without the background music. Now if I go ahead and mute this and then unmute the last one, now this will be our soundtrack, and listen in. That is the soundtrack without the vocals. So that's how you can separate your vocals from your music in Filmora. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.